Hi, I'm Adam Jennings, Senior Solutions Architect at DoubleCloud, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with using our transfer service. So I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google SSO sign-on. Here on the Transfers tab, I've already got one transfer set up, but I'll go ahead and create a new one just to show you how easy it is. So I can choose pre-configured source endpoints. In this case, I will create new. I'm going to choose a type, and then it changes the options once I change the type. So S3, I get a couple different options. I fill in the name, dataset is required, path pattern is recommended, especially if you've got embedded folders in your CSVs here. You must have the delimiter, defaults to comma for CSVs. The file that I'm actually using uses semicolons. You'll see that in the other one. And then you need a bucket name. And then if you're accessing it with an access key and secret access key, then you'll need to fill those in and use SSL. And then the same thing on the target endpoint. So if I create new, I can choose my managed ClickHouse as my destination. And if I click here on managed cluster, it gives me the option to pull down and pick whichever one that I want to deliver data to. So I'm going to do the demo one. Database username and password are required. Fill those in, and we are good to go with the transfer. Give it a name, and then you can hit submit. In this case, I'm going to go back to the one I've already created. I'll hit edit so you can see the options here. So when you're choosing from S3, you choose a snapshot. Runtime, I'm choosing serverless runtime here. I can run some dedicated EC2 instances in AWS if I would rather that. I can have it on a schedule, so I can schedule this as often as I want. You can see here, or I've got this disabled now, and then you can do some light transformations, and you can choose which types of objects transfer. I'm just going to transfer everything out of that directory on S3. So you can see here it's in done status. If I look at the logs, you can see that it was created, and you can see it's grabbing 10,000 rows at a time and dropping them into my ClickHouse cluster. And I have that open in another tab, and so I can check the amount of data that is in my ClickHouse cluster. So it's that easy. Create a source endpoint, create a target endpoint, combine them with the transfer, and there you go. Move your data into our managed ClickHouse. If you have any questions, please reach out.